Hello everyone, I'm Jazz, back with another Cooking with Jazz video, how to cook with Jazz, whatever shenanigans I'm doing today. So I've got milk and hot chocolate here, and this is Wittard's hot chocolate, and I've got the Cravendale as well, Cravendale milk, and you want a pot as well, and you also want your favourite mug, and in this instance, my favourite mug is my red one that I've had for like over a year now. I like this mug, it's really good, and yeah, so you can either choose the pot to put the milk in. So that's the pot there. Or you can measure it in the cup, and then you can put it in the pot. But it's the pot, you know? Or it's the cup. It's the pot. Or it's the cup. It's the pot. It's the pot. I can't be asked to use my cup. So, yeah, I put the milk in the pot. I couldn't be asked to put it in the cup and measure it. It's just, you know, if it if it works, it works. So I'm going to do my click fire thing, you know, how I'm a firebender. Right there, I'm actually really cool doing that. So I'm going to put the pot of milk on the heat so it can start warming up. Now, I made a mistake when making this. The heat is too high, so the milk was kind of too hot for the hot chocolate. And you'll see later, when I'm mixing it, it's a bit too hot. So I'm going to grab my trusty old mug, the red mug. Just keep it there, so when I finish the hot chocolate, I can just pour it in there from there. And yeah, it's a nice mug, isn't it? And I'm going to do my cool transition, where I teleport across the room. There's the Wittard's hot chocolate. It's a really nice hot chocolate, by the way. I think you should get it. It's like, what, £8 on their website? And you can get like 4 hot chocolates at the shop for 20-something pound. We got 2 luxury hot chocolates and 2 white hot chocolates. They're both really nice. I suggest you get them, because they're definitely worth the £8. And I'm going to do my magic again. I'm going to smack it. And oh my god, it magically opened. That wasn't edited at all. No way. And yeah, you can see there's bits of sugar in there. I think that's pretty cool. So I'm going to proceed and take some spoons. That's my spoon. Teaspoon. 3 teaspoons for every 200 milliliters of milk. I don't know how much milk I put in the pot, so I just put 3 teaspoons in it anyway. And you'll notice that this looks like cake batter or something. I'm not too sure what it is. It's just chocolate powder and sugar. But here we are. It's hot enough. I'm going to start stirring it. You can see that it's all foamy and stuff. That's because I left the heat on too high. And the sides, when the milk hits it, it instantly, I wouldn't say cook, but it like dries out because of the heat. So I should have turned the heat down, obviously. But, you know, it still makes like a nice hot chocolate. So, yeah. Now I'm going to pour it and cut out where I pour it because, you know, easy money. And there's the hot chocolate. There's the finished masterpiece. And I'm telling you right now, I put way too less milk in there. And I probably should have, you know, put more milk in there. And, yeah.
Hello everybody, yeah, it's me Jazz. I'm going to review it in person, because why not? So I'm in my room, that's my keyboard right there. This is my computer, yeah. The nice wallpaper. I'm sure you've seen it in the previous video. Here's my Nintendo Switch. Here's the other controllers for it. Here's my my dinosaur called Punjabi Movie Download 360p. Got it last year. Here's my bottle of Evian branded water. That's my keyboard. This is my crappy headset. Still Series Arctic 5s. They're kind of fucked up now. Here's my cool mouse, the Logitech G402. And there's the hot chocolate. You can barely see it because I can't be asked to turn my light on. So yeah. It's the taste test. Ah, man. It's nice. It's not like overly sweet. It's got a bit of sugar in it, but it's nice. It's got a nice flavour to it. It's not just chocolate, and it isn't just sugar. It's like a blend between both. It's kind of perfect in my opinion. I like it. It's nice. I give this hot chocolate an 8 out of 10, even though it burnt my tongue. Shit!